Yes, and before we start the talking, people, don't forget to like the video. Like you want to get in the darkness right away. Like the video, leave a
I'm dark
comment.
already, Bridging. I'm already dark.
Subscribe to this side of Sports TV. The one more thing though, hopefully you can get this out.
Share the video to at least 10 people. Get us 7 subscribers from the darkness. If each one of you guys can manage to do that, matter of fact, get with 7 subscribers. Because this is that dark segment for me.
Alright, before we even get to, can we ever set the stage? We're excited. We want to see the new kits that are going to be done very soon by the men and women of the
under
nation.
17 boys and the female team.
Me need to see what I can buy.
Okay.
Because I'm supposed to buy it regardless still. But I want to see what I can buy. What the fuck? JF supposed to send me some care packets still, G.
Wait, no, bro. I did up on the field.
Alright, anyways. We're excited. We want to see. Adidas normally have some sick kits. We look at the Arsenal kits for the last 2 years. We like them. You know, the Ajax kit didn't come with the Rasta color. I said, bad.
Even though Man U, they keep them on a bad team, but that's some bad team.
Bro, even Man U kit, tough.
Argentina went stupid at the World Cup this season with them purple away kit and them iconic home kit. Like Argentina went crazy. So we're like, alright.
Our time. My time to spend my money now and get a bad black, green and gold for my body.
Yeah.
And people, I guess we can call this a leak, even though everybody know.
It's not a leak. It was a release. There's Adidas show.
Yeah, but nobody's promoting it. Adidas not post it. JFF not post it. But a fashion show was held in Paris last week, and in fact, this is a very important occasion. Though this is the first time any major unveiling of sports kit was done in a fashion show. So and Jamaica got that opportunity. So people we saw. Matter of fact, I'm going to put them up. I don't even talk. Because I feel like I talk too much and people need to see the kit them. Close your eyes.
Right.
This is what we're looking at. Alright. First of all, bro. Probably unpopular, but I like the home kit.
Yeah, alright. So let's start on the good. Let's start with the good and the bad. A lot of people say them don't like the home kit. Dude, I'm sold. Absolutely.
I like the home kit.
I like the colors. I like the bro. You see when them have one little shoulder, you already know how I look.
I don't think he might wear it well though. I don't think it cut well for him.
Bro, them could do better upon the market still.
But the jersey bad. The jersey tough. Yeah, especially me I imagine the number in the middle. Me I imagine the Dan 17. Yeah man. Jersey tough.
So I'd have to be 17. Why couldn't be 7?
No, 17 I get my Damian Low jersey. I don't care where you get Bridget.
Rush. Who are the 10 for Jamaica? Bobby Reed play some ball now. Who is
last time we say what we did see? We say Ravel get the 10 and Bobby will get the 14.
Yeah.
I think they say that today, no?
14 him where? Team club.
You feel like a Ravel like 10, man. Feel like a Ravel like 10.
Why? Ravel look good in the 4 still.
What color shorts though, bro? What color shorts?
It's probably black shorts for the home kit.
Black shorts?
Remember said you have some things that are tradition, bro. Some things not gonna change ever.
Alright.
Some things not gonna change ever. So it's gonna be black shorts. I know that for sure, 100% certain. But the home kits, I like what them do with the color. I like what them do with the sleeves. I like the pinstripe. Some people don't like it, but for me it got crazy. I can imagine them probably have black shorts with the yellow 3 stripes on the side, and it's just simple and nice. You get me? I say, I wonder what color socks. No, that's the thing.
You know what may I see? Even with Man U, like even the stripes, you will have like 2 red stripes on the outside and a black stripe in the middle. Probably do something like that for the shorts, where you see like green.
Yeah, with
green and yellow stripes.
That would have been dope if them do that. But I'm just assuming that it probably are gonna be yellow stripes, most likely.
Yeah, black and yellow or black
yeah,
and green.
Most likely gonna be 3 stripes. Probably a little green somewhere in the shorts there about. Probably some yellow socks. I hope the socks them really nice.
No, like yellow socks, man.
But I hope them do something with the socks. Them make the socks them nice. But I need that socks. Some design.
We know so the top right have 3 stripes.
Alright.
We know that. So not much else to do.
So the home kits, I'm more than okay with. I'm very excited to buy.
No, I like the home kit. I think I'm more than okay. I was looking at it for a while.
I was speaking to Guna. Guna said he hate it. Guna said it look good. And I was like, nah, fam, this look good. This is what I was expecting. This was something that we were expecting, right?
This bad, bro. This bad.
I really enjoyed the home kit and I can see it look really good. And we see the likes of Andre Gray and Bobby Reed posted it on their Instagram stories, getting very excited for it. Michael Hector get excited feet. What that
I
means?
lie.
That means so we see.
Coach was in England. Coach was in
Yeah,
England.
so we don't know. So we see a lot of these players posting this. A lot of these players excited about it, about the home kit now. Very, very good. Very, very impressed with the home kit. I like it. So I can't get dark on that. And you say you like it. So that's
Yeah, man.
I'm impressed with the home kit. I think it's an improvement on the Umbro kit. Do you agree?
Yeah, man. I'm on kit right there, sir. Looking at it, definitely an improvement. I can't wait to get that one here. In fact, I need one half on a dozen back, you know?
Yeah,
Go on
yeah.
still.
Yeah, man. I've got to take off a shirt off. I left.
Hey, left that.
But the shirt them bad same way. I can't wait to get my hands on one of the Jamaica ADIDAS home jerseys.
Yeah.
And the
Lead the way for the next one.
I don't want to lead the way with that, Bridget. You lead the way there.
But you have more to say than me still in the cause. I'm going to tell you right now, this away kit, I'm disappointed. That's the word I'm going to use.
God.
I am disappointed. I don't hate it, you know. Don't get me wrong. I don't hate it.
By any chance you have a picture of the initial leak? What would you think?
Probably, I can go look for it while it talk. But hold on, let me set the stage again. I was expecting something so elaborate for the away kit. First time partnering with Jamaica, the global brand that we are, all of the leaks and ideas going around. And then Adidas come and drop this, nothing, no pattern, just color stripes. It's literally just color stripes.
Pink and red.
Bro,
What does that have to do with
it's not a bad shirt, but I'm disappointed.
I think that's a shirt that probably wear up on there. Bro, if this could have been them shirt that them wear going to the stadium.
A training kit.
That would have been fine, bro. You know them come out of the bus and them are going to the stadium and them have on
Yeah.
them cell phones and them could have wear this.
Yeah.
But that cannot be the kit to it. Them are going to play now.
Yeah, I'm disappointed. Straight up, I'm trying to find some concept.
Bro, because and I think the one that we saw would have been it because it similarly represents that post that they made on Instagram. But I'm thinking probably somebody saw that post.
Oh, I know the one that you're talking. I'm gonna find it.
Probably because somebody saw that post and incorporated it in a concept and leak it, make you feel good now yourself. Dude.
So disappointed, man.
Alright,
Brother, you see if I find it. Hold on, I have to put it up. I wasn't prepared to do this.
Maybe they released this, but maybe this is actually going to be. Maybe that's just one of the training kits. Maybe they released the home jersey and training kit. Maybe that's not going to be.
No, bro. Me read the article. The article said the home and away kit, bro.
Can't be.
You
Can't
can't stop. Don't get your hopes up, fam.
I saw a concept that closely represented a post. I don't know if you can find the post that was made on the JFF page.
And then put up a kit, Bridget.
And then the concept that was given, right? So there was a post that was made to the JFF page with a little snippet with the color scheme, and then there was a jersey with that on it. And I was like, okay, that way jersey goes stupid.
Yeah, so you buy that as a drop.
It wasn't black, green, and gold as we were used to. I was speaking to somebody about, and they were like, "Oh no, I really love the incorporation of other colors to our shirt." And I'm like, "Bro, we're literally named the Reggae Boys." I saw Argentina playing a purple kit in the World Cup. You know,
Whatever, like that, it's black, green, and gold, and Jamaica.
it have red in it. Red
Oh,
is
it's
not-
red, green, and gold, and Jamaica black, green, and gold.
Yeah,
So they
Jamaica.
don't like the red.
Then do exactly. They were saying they don't like the red addition because it's not a part of our flag.
But as you just said, our Reggae Boys, bro, like that's the name
Yeah,
of the
that's
team.
literally the name of our team, the Reggae Boys. So I would see no problem with paying homage to our reggae heritage. So I actually really like the idea. In fact, I was saying go even crazier on the red. Make it a red kit. If it was a red like a reggae kit, like I wouldn't be upset with that any at all. If our away kit was red. Like it was a red, green, and gold Rasta kit with you'd have an issue with that? As long as
I wouldn't. I definitely wouldn't.
I'd be perfectly fine with it as long as it looked good. So they were saying that they don't like the fact that them incorporating red because red isn't a part of our color scheme. But
This is the image you're talking about. A little bit butchered, but this is the image.
yeah, exactly. That bro, when I saw that shirt and then there was a post that was made on Instagram, like the JFF made a post, and I was like, dude, if this is the situation, let's see. Just I can show it from my phone. I don't know if
That would have bad. That would have bad. This jersey would have been so cool. I feel like it would have been my favorite Jamaican jersey in a while. Probably my favorite of all time if this was the kit. But it's not. And the fact that we believed it because of the post. The post made it different.
If I'm not mistaken, bro, I'm going through the
No man,
JFF.
them post it, man.
Yeah, but I think the post has been removed.
No. I see it. I'm pretty sure I see it today.
May I look feed real quick?
I see it there, man.
Anyways, I did screenshot it, of course, because
See it there.
yeah, that was the post. And like you can see how similarly the color scheme on the jersey is to the post. So it was very believable that this would have been the jersey based on that post that JFF made, just a little snippet, and then people you can see the jersey. You can see the jersey, the same color scheme. You get me, I say, bro, but somebody just goose with.
I go somebody chop with Virgin.
Somebody see the post that JFF make and just say, all right, so we are gonna trick them young minds. So now seeing this, bro, but no, I don't understand the thought process behind it. If I'm not, the colors are red and I think pink. Explain to me the thought process going into that color scheme for away kit.
Red and pink.
Yeah.
Red and pink. Probably them should have still got. Let me look on it again, because I thought it was like the Rasta thing them that playing now too.
No, bro. If you look at it, put back up the shirts on the
It's up there, man. No man, I red, green and gold, man. It's just that is a light yellow type of thing. If you look at it.
1 second. I'll pull it up.
It's not, as I say, it's not awful. It's not a bad shirt.
Bro, this look like there's red there. There's red there, but that's either white or pink, bro. That's an yellow. That's either white or pink. No, Virgin.
That's it here.
So I'm me blind?
Look now, man. I'm send it to you. Look.
Oh shoot. So based on the video that the best look on that. That's not
The
like
same shirt. The same shirt. Man. The same
like
shirt.
pink here.
I same shirt, man.
In that picture, it look like pink here in that picture.
As in, that's what I say. I never see it. I think them are playing on the Rasta thing there, cause red, green, and yellow,
No,
which
I
is
mean
fine.
the picture you have up on the screen.
I don't see it. I don't see it. You probably have to go for your glasses, my boy. I don't see it.
You don't see that the yellow no look like pink.
No, bro. People,
I'm see based on what you show me, I'm gonna see it still.
people never get him eyes checked out. But as I say, it's not an awful shirt.
It's not as bad. It's not as
But
bad. I'm not bother.
it's disappointing.
I'm not bother dark. I'm not bother dark like how the dark again.
I'm gonna hate the shirt, but it's disappointing.
Yeah, then. Well,
I'm
I'm
kind of
not
funny still. But people, let us know your thoughts in the comment section.
bro. That man look on that like pink and red dog.
Where your glasses there? Where your glasses there?
You sure? You sure?
It's a deaf brother, man. Are we
Nah,
that
look
still?
funny.
People, tell me.
Look on this, bro.
Bro, it's yellow, fam.
As in obviously because I've seen it now, but that look like that look the green look like it up on the shirt there. You seen the green on the shirt there?
Brother, green there in the inner part, bro.
Bro, I'm saying, look at what I'm showing you on the screen.
It's
You
our
seen a
system.
green? Exactly, you seen a green on the shirt there?
But wait, what the pink there?
The ADIDAS stripes, bro, that look pink, bro.
If you didn't say white, we don't understand. Brother, that clearly yellow.
I
fam.
think I was thinking it was like pink or at least white.
Judge, you.
Shut
I
up.
feel like you lose that one still, but as I said,
No, but you sent me a picture. You sent me a picture, so
yeah,
fine.
as I said, people, the home shirt, love it. Need my hands on that. Second, the away kit, disappointed, but it's not an awful shirt. But I'm disappointed. I thought that it would have been a little bit more elaborate.
People, what me I say? What me I see, say people?
Wear your glasses, bro.
What
You
am I
prescribe them for a
seeing?
reason, fam.
No, I think you sent me the picture of the with the Rasta colors and the neckline, and I'm not as mad at it anymore. I'm not as mad at it anymore. So I
You're
guess
still disappointed like
I guess the sleeves still have the Rasta colors on it.
You're still disappointed?
the picture where you show me never have the sleeves. Oh yeah, so the sleeves they still have the. Oh yeah, it's tough. I like it.
What the sleeves have?
The sleeves have the same pattern, which in my opinion.
The sleeves always have the same tune.
In my opinion, it did look like pink, bro. It looked like red and pink. But now that I know that it's red, green, and gold, it changed my whole perception on it.
You love it now.
In the video, I could have swear that it was red and pink. I could have swear that was the case. Okay,
Anyways,
so,
you love it now.
yeah, I like it. I don't love it, but I like it.
It's not. I definitely don't hate it. That's some start from. It's not a bad shirt, but me just think so. They may have give it more. But people, let us know your opinions in the live chat and comment section.
I love the rest of color them funny. Reggae boy.
What you say?
Yeah, so what color do you think the shorts are gonna be? Black.
Yeah, same color as the shirt.
With the same trim.
Yeah.
And the yellow ADIDAS stripes. That's a good top.
I feel like man. Anyways, people, it's time to get to the next segment. We're almost on the hour mark, but we have to talk about the fantasy.
Yeah.
So people, stay tuned to Studio Talk. Go on like if you don't like the video yet. It's so easy to support us. We're not asking for no money yet. We're not asking if you buy nothing yet.
As in, bro, you wanna ask them for the money, people, leave a super chat if you like. Leave a super chat so we can buy new glasses.
Can beg so that
Obviously, I'm blind. So leave a super chat real quick. Button up my shirt. Because the shirt did unbutton, that's why I couldn't see. So leave a super chat so that I can buy new glasses because I'm so embarrassed right now.
Alright, people, here. Send him some money.
My whole premise of hating this shirt was because it was a pink and red shirt. Cha-cha.
Alright, we're gonna see Joe Martin on one of them shirts, you know, people. So support the
Sure,
thing. Anyways, Studio Talk, Fantasy Premier League show after this.